can actually speak to people with confidence, knowing that you're offering them the right solutions. And even with like you said, with sales guys doing a bit of the demonstrations, it shows at least customers how easy it is. You know, we're not on the machines full time anymore. It shows customers how easy it is maybe to program.
Yeah. You can even maybe teach me. We cut various materials from steel to aluminium, and it produced the parts quickly and very, very consistently as well.
And you like the software and the programming?
The software is very good, it's intuitive, so it's a similar back end to other machines, but it's got the front end of a Nakamura, so they've got their own control system on there, which really helps, and it's ease of programming as well.
Yeah, so that's the beauty of the Rowan automation solution, is that it can deliver total flexibility for a business and the investment and the return on investment that a business is looking for. As you can see, the ERC80 here is Rowan's best-selling robot.
We've got palette recognition on there as standard, so it's very easy to have a complete mix of parts on there. One of the other points that you should look at is the control is very, very capable. We've got 2,500 block look ahead.
What about the communication between these two as well? That's often something people need to think about. How do you control the pallet system via the control, or do you do it independently?
Yeah, the whole system is fully integrated. So it's a joint venture with 3R and Kitamura. They've done a lot of work to integrate it. It's not just a bolt-on that they've come up.
What I like about this is what we're talking about now is when you go in here, you can see how easy it is to access. I like the fact they've thought about the spec on it, but also how it's built and how easy it is to use for an operator.
I mean, accessibility is a big point. I mean, for a person of my size, absolutely perfect. Now, they come in two models, the 4+1 and the 5th axis simultaneous, which is the 5X, which we're looking at now. We've also got the laser that's going across the top of the trunnion. Can you describe how that works?
So your laser here would allow you to obviously measure the tools. So it means you're not going to be machining inaccurate parts, and that's massively important.
So there may be applications which touch trigger probing has been prohibitive to the process because it's added cycle time to an already time critical component in a manufacturing process. Sprint technology removes that to an extent because you can capture data so quickly on it that it's now become possible to measure components on your machine.
If you're exhibiting at Mac, how are you going to get the best out of your Mac show?
Well, Mac is happening from April the 4th to the 8th, and we know that it attracts thousands and thousands of visitors, and let's hope that that is exactly the same this time around. But one of the things that we're throwing into the mix this time around is our live streams. So companies such as Star, we're here at Technoturn today, they are having us on their stand on the Monday and the Wednesday of the Mac show, where we'll be streaming their technology that they have on show to our thousands that will be watching across our channel. So they're maximising their benefits.
So how can others get involved? Because our timetable is naturally filling up.
Literally, we only started putting the slots out last week. We already have NCMT, Matsura, Star, Ceratizit. There is plenty of people looking at taking up a slot. We'll be having 4 live streams a day, Monday right the way through till Friday night.